Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry about my mask. It's really windy out here. Let me show you the sky. Yeah, it's pretty pitch black. And yeah. I am holding on to my mask since it's so windy. I do not want it to fly away. And plus, if this flew away, I would be very disappointed because this is the only mask I have that fits me, and plus it's homemade, so better not lose it. So, if you are wondering why it is so windy, it's because there's a storm coming. I better show you guys. And I put my mask right here just in case it blows away. But it probably won't. Here, let me just show you from over here. It's pretty bad because it looks like it's gonna have I feel like there's gonna be a thunderstorm or something. Just look. Look at the sky. Really bad. And then over here it's probably worse. This is probably the worst day ever. Whoa, that's a big wind. And yeah, if you guys live in Utah and you witness this, I don't know what kind of storm this is gonna be, but it looks kind of deadly. Just look at the sky. I zoomed into the sky way too much. Ooh, better zoom in. Oh, not that. Look how dark that cloud is. Like all across, it's dark. So I just want to show you around the neighborhood for a little bit. So this is my neighbor's house. They are moving, sadly. I will probably be walking around the block with you guys, like the whole entire one, except for the houses that I do not know. And the one that we are approaching now is one of my old bullies. He used to be a bully, but not anymore. His name is Noah. And over there, the house that has the white car, here, let me just, is where my friend lives. And you saw her earlier today, but not that much. Let me just show you their house real quick. Yeah, nothing too much. Then this house is one of my kind of friends' house. That's someone's house I don't really want to talk about because, things. New neighbor's house. We did get a new neighbor. Someone who lets us sled in their yard. The person who doesn't let us even go in their yard. You know, it's so evil. And then that one right next to my house that's big, that's also one of my neighbors. But her husband died just a few months ago, sadly. And I knew him way too well for him to die. And then the white house, yellowish, whitish house, right there that I zoomed in on, is one of my old friends' house. So yeah, I am really sad that they're moving because they've been here ever since I moved, which was 3 years ago. Nothing too much, but still. I'm just worried about the storm and my mask right now. And yes, our mountain did get burned down. Yeah, it looks really bad. Yeah, I had a really bad fire. And our house was actually on TV. So that's pretty cool. And if you are wondering about those houses, I'm not going to talk about them. Then that house all the way up there, that one. That's one of my friends that I don't really play with anymore because she's still social distancing. And yeah, see you guys later, and I will post you about the storm when the storm is over, if it does end. And yeah, see you guys soon. Or we can stay and do some things. But I don't really know. Oh yeah, that's a thunderstorm. I just saw a lightning bolt. Here guys, I saw a lightning bolt right there. Right in between the houses, but far away. That's a thunderstorm. And we have goats. I don't know what they're gonna react to it. Whoa! Yeah, I'm going inside. Like this. See you guys inside. Whew. That was huge wind. Holy guacamole. I'm speechless right now. Yeah, you better be scared. Okay, I'm gonna check on the goats with you guys. Because I don't know if it's the first thunderstorm or not. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah, there's a thunderstorm. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry if this scares you, because I just saw a lightning bolt in the sky. Hey, come on. This is better now. Sorry, the turkey and the goats are chasing me for no absolute reason. I'm going to be on the lookout in the sky because I saw a real thunderbolt in the sky. I'm not joking, but it didn't make any noise. So I'm wondering if I was just seeing things because I'm not seeing anymore. They happen constantly. But that wind was really intense. And I don't know. Steve, I'm so sorry. Yeah, we're starting to have a dust storm with it. I don't know if this is a thunderstorm or just a normal storm. I'm really scared, guys. We haven't had a storm in such a long time. And before this vlog, I was talking to my mom. Whoa! This is some gnarly wind. Oh, he almost flew away. The middle one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna stay out here for a while. Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna be on the lookout for thunder and lightning. Whoa! But I'm mostly scared about the storm and the wind. We haven't had wind this gnarly in such a long time. My hair is blowing. think some of these trees are gonna survive. Like, this wind is being really naughty. I really hope that the baby tree survives. And we are having construction. I'm actually kind of scared. I'm about to cry. Ooh, should I try to do a backflip with you guys? I'm just scared you guys are gonna hit my mouth. But I can keep my arms away from me at all times, I guess. Actually, no! This wind is being really naughty, so we're still out to... Oops, sorry, guys. Okay, I am going